Jai Hind, dear students. Let us start today's class with a recap of Tuesday's class. Fine. So there are two questions on the board. You can see all of you note down the questions and start solving. Difference of two numbers. There are two numbers whose difference is given. And the smaller number is 2081. What is the larger number? So first of all of you try to comment how I may find here the larger number. यहाँ पर मैं larger number, how we can find it? Difference is given, smaller number is given. Addition, yes. For finding the larger number, when we have two numbers and their difference, if the difference is given and the smaller number is given, for larger number, let us just add them. 315, 9081. Simply add. Three lakh 17,981 is the larger number, for which the difference is 3,15,900 and the smaller number was 2,081. Now the thing is, how we may find the smaller number? If we have the larger number 215,618 and the difference 105,840. One more thing, many of you are already sending me work, so please try to write the number and give me some space. Okay, यहाँ digits के बीच में आप थोड़ा सा space रखिए, and I told you to keep one line at the top to write the carryovers. एक larger number है from which we subtract the smaller number, but we don't know, and the difference is this one. So from the larger number, let us subtract the difference 105,840. Vedic math trick. 4's complement is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. This 8 will become 9. And 9's complement is 1. So again 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 becomes 6. 6 complement is 4, it will become 9. This 0 become 1 minus 2 0. I think it's 109,778. Fine. So this is a recap. For larger number, add. For smaller number, subtract. Those who not written, they may watch the video later when it is going to upload on YouTube. तब आप इसे देख करके this same question you will try, and you may change the values and try with them. Fine. Okay. So, do you have any question from 4B up to question number 5? Question number 5 was also homework. What should be subtracted from? Question number 5, we are talking about exercise 4B. Yes, Navya, you may ask your question if you have. फ्रॉम किसमें से माइनस करना है आपको? फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ देयर आर टू नंबर्स 893645 and the other number was 635489. To get 10,000, what should be subtracted from the sum of these two numbers to get 10,000? Vidya is asking 1 2. I solve. Okay, fine. आप क्या माइनस कर देंगे इस सम में से? सम कितना आ रहा है? 9 + 5 fine. So now the question is what we should subtract from 15,29,000 to get 10,000. What should be subtracted from? It means this is the larger number and this is the difference. And the question is asking us smaller number. Okay. और अभी हमने देखा था कि फॉर स्मॉलर नंबर व्हाट वी शुड डू, वी विल गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द लार्जर नंबर. इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट द डिफरेंस जो आपको चाहिए, व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम, इसमें से आप क्या माइनस करेंगे? दैट स्मॉलर नंबर टू गेट द डिफरेंस. सो डिफरेंस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन and the smaller number is asked. So you know that very well. You just have to do the difference. 52,000, 5,29,134. So question number 5 was asking about the smaller number. देखिए डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछ के आपको थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन को ट्विस्ट किया है ना, कि फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ, पहले आप एडिशन निकाल रहे हैं, फिर आप देखें कि इस एडिशन में से हम क्या माइनस करना है. तो जो हमें माइनस करना है वो स्मॉलर नंबर है. एंड व्हेन यू हैव लार्जर नंबर एंड द स्मॉलर नंबर एंड द डिफरेंस, सो वी जस्ट डिड द सबट्रैक्शन एंड वी गॉट. Population of a country was what was the population? 5 lakh 5 crore 5 crore 10 lakh 37,200 in the year 2000. In the year 2000. In the year 2010, the population become, in the year 2010, population become 5 crore 74 lakh 69,100. Okay, क्या फाइंड करना है हमें? We have to find the increase. अभी suppose there are two beakers I have. One is of 1 liter. Now, initially I have 500 ml, suppose water, and then it become 1 liter. So you can tell me what is the level increased in water. 500 ml become 1 liter. Okay, today Yuvika is celebrating her birthday, so wish you a very happy birthday, Yuvika. So be here and tell me the answer. If 500 ml becomes, what is the increase? How much increase? There is an increase of 500. Fine. When you were, suppose in 2021, you are in fifth. In 2019, you were in third. So what is the difference? You jumped 2 classes. So whenever we are talking about something increase or decrease, okay? So dear students, जब भी हम बात करते हैं किसी तरह के change, okay, कोई भी change आ रहा है, if something increase or something decrease, fine. Suppose when you was a kid, you were watching television for 3 hours. Now you just watch it for 1 hour. So there is a decrease of how many hours? 3 become 1. What is the change? 3 hour becomes 1 hour. What is the change? Two hours. There is a decrease change of 2 hours. Fine. So 3 become 1. So whether it is an increase or a decrease, so change means this is the basic concept here. Fine. So how we are going to write the statement? Population in 2000 I am writing here itself population in 2000. This is the population. And in the year in year 2010. So increase in population will be equals to Swara and Sarthak. Okay, so all of you just do the subtraction. So it is easy only. 64, 3. There is an increase of 64 lakh 32,250. So tell me, may be able to create the same type of questions. Earlier, many of you have shared with me some data about the population of your town, okay, or your city where you are living. So you may take now the data about population for 2 different years. Suppose 2000 and 2010. Or suppose you are born here and today 2021 is going on. Maybe maximum of your birth year is nearly I think 2010. Okay. तो आप 2010 का population लीजिए of your own hometown and takes today's population. Fine. And then you may able to find the increase. So just think creatively कि ये increase वाला question आप कहाँ बना सकते हैं? How you may create such question for increase in population? And the interesting question I am going to share in your classroom with you all. Okay, so try to create your own such questions. Chaliye, what is this now in my hand? Can anyone tell me? Yes, of cards also you can make, of course. I have a Rubik cube. Fine. Many of you, I think, may be knowing it. If you don't, you may watch the videos and we have when the school will start, we try to learn. Actually, I am also trying to learn it. I'm in the learning mode. Fine. So suppose I purchased it at a cost of 120 rupees. Fine. Now, after I learned it, I'm able to make it. Now it is of no use to me. And somebody asked me whether you just give me, I don't take it in free. So please take some money for it. So to a friend, I send it. Fine. So when I'm talking about sale means I'm selling it. So I have to get a selling price. At what price I may sell it? If I purchase it in 120. Okay, Anushri, no, very good. Anushri, you may also create a video on it, that how to solve. If you have some simple tricks, try to make a video for your friends. Suppose I sold it at 100%. So what I have? Loss. Parth is telling we faced a loss. Why we faced a loss? because this cost is nothing but the cost price. फाइन, ये क्या है हमारे पास? कॉस्ट प्राइस है एंड सीपी एसपी. पार्ट हु इज ग्रेटर देयर, कॉस्ट प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस? जब हम ज्यादा में परचेस कर रहे हैं, देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ 20 रुपीस. वेरी सिंपल थिंग, the cost price is greater here, so we have faced a loss. And when the selling price will be greater, suppose if we sold it in 150 rupees, now what we have? Profit. We have a profit. Yes. How much rupees profit? Profit of 30 rupees. Yes, there is a profit of 30 rupees. So I think you are getting it, profit and loss. So profit when the selling price is greater, and the formula, or we may write it as SP minus CP. This is about profit. And when we face loss, we write it as CP minus SP. Very simple thing. Profit and loss. Is it clear to you all? Question number 7 is there. A man bought a piece of land for some rupees. He spent some rupees to construct the house. After that, he sold. So, how much money did he gain? So, I am just writing directly the statement, but all of you please write the question whenever you solve any question. Okay, so note down the question and then leave 2-3 lines and write with me the statement. Cost of land. कंस्ट्रक्शन, क्योंकि घर उसको बनाना पड़ेगा. He has to make it. Fine, he purchased the land and then using ammonia cement he constructed his house. अंदर से solid. It cost rupees 1546,920. Fine. Can anybody just tell me what is the total cost price? Piyush Vidate, today Piyush Vidate joined the class. I'm requesting you, all of you, that always you may talk to your friends and 24 lakh 680 rupees is the cost of construction. Then he sold it. Fine. So what is the selling price we have here? The selling price is 30 lakh. Sold it in 30 lakh rupees. Is what it is his gain? How much rupees he earned in there? So we may write there who is greater here? Selling price is greater. So the gain no need of attendance link. Dharekarji, who is there? I think I will see when you join. I am also getting the idea about at what time you are joining. So those who are joining late, I am putting a red mark below presently. Fine. So every time just join on time. We just having this half an hour class. Okay, only 3 days in a week. So I will put your attendance as per your name mentioned during the chat. So we'll just do the subtraction and you will get the answer. Fine. So many of you are giving answers. Good. So just do the subtraction, but do it carefully. Again, I am telling you, देखिए मैंने भी बहुत पास लिख दिया. Fine. This is a little bit wrong. बहुत ज़्यादा बोलो mix हो जाता है. So I think we should take some space. हमारी notebook है, and we are writing for our own self. So keep one line at top. थोड़ा सा space देकर के लिखिए अच्छे से. Fine. And now when I have to make it 2, 10 become 9, 9 and 10. ₹5 lakh he earned. 5,99,000, nearly 6 lakh rupees he earned. Okay, some of you, maybe your parents, maybe this is called, you know which business we call it when we talk about this selling and purchasing of house. Okay, it's a sort of business. If you know, anybody knows the name, we call it real estate. Okay, तो वहां पर इस तरह से like somebody purchase land, then he construction and you sell it, then obviously in a business there is profit, and you see what is the profit here, 5,99,000. Okay, it's a huge amount. Fine. So just help me out with question number 9. Question number 9 में क्या करना है, जरा मुझे आप थोड़ा सा हिंट कर दीजिए. Like we have given the मेल एंड फीमेल, दो लोगों का हमको ऐसा पॉपुलेशन दिया है, एंड द पीपल हु वोटेड, these three things given, then they are asking the people who do not voted. जिन्होंने वोट नहीं दिया है। फाइन, आकृति's uncle is having this business. So Akriti may take an example from his uncle that for a single house, if he is constructing and selling, how much they are earning on it. We will try to create question. Add then subtract. So this is about voting 1, 4, 3, 3, 4. All of you, please always, whenever there is voting in our region, so you may motivate or inspire your parents to go for voting. Okay, आप उन्हें जैसे जैसे वो आपको स्टडीज के लिए बूस्ट अप करते हैं, you boost up them that parents please go for voting and do the voting. Okay. So यहाँ मेल और फीमेल का हमको पॉपुलेशन दिया है, so we will find the total. हम एडिशन करेंगे तो हमें टोटल मिल जाएगा, and then from that total these many voted. So how many not voted? Total minus voted. So first add and then subtract. Okay, the last two questions are also in homework, question number 10 and question number 11. I will create an assignment on teachment, so all of you submit there, and later I will submit the solution, so you cross check it. Okay, I will also see it. Fine. So thank you everyone for joining. प्रॉफिट और लॉस सभी को समझ में आ चुका है, वहां तो आपको कुछ पूछना नहीं है. लाइक रजत बॉट अ मशीन, ही बॉट इट फॉर 2 करोड़ 57 लाख एंड ही सोल्ड इट फॉर 2 करोड़ 75 लाख. फटाफट से बता दीजिए क्या होगा, प्रॉफिट या लॉस. 2 करोड़ 75 और 2 करोड़ 55. चलिए 75 तक लीजिए. 75 करोड़ या लाख में हमने, दिस इज कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस. क्या हो गया, प्रॉफिट और लॉस. अच्छा, पर वहां पर fine. So thanks everyone. Jai Hind. Aryan Tiwari, I am not sending attendance list. Those who joined in the beginning, their presently I will put.